Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. So today I wanted to challenge myself with this empty room that I had built and do a Valentine's scene. I started with these felt heart stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree and some thread and made a cute banner. I took some air dry clay and formed it into little cupcakes. I used a toothpick to make the ridges of the cupcake liner. Then I took some pink paint and painted the bottom half to be the cupcake liner. Then I took some brown paint to paint the top. For the icing, I made little circles of hot glue, and once it was dried, I did another one on top of it. Then I attached it with hot glue and painted the hot glue portion white for the icing. I made each of the girls a little Valentine's box to have all their Valentines in. I just covered them with scrapbook paper and put a little slit in the top. Then I made little Valentines out of paper. Next, I wanted to build a little tiered tray, so I took 3 of these lids I got from the Dollar Tree. They were on little bottles, and used an X-Acto knife to cut a tiny hole in the center, and then put a toothpick through the middle. I found these cute little gift bags at the Dollar Tree. I cut the front off, mounted it on poster board, leaving a little bit to wrap around the sides, and then covered the sides, making a frame out of coffee stirrers. I then hung it up using tacky glue. I brought in this little tray I got at the Dollar Tree to use as a side table. I brought in some little cakes I already had. I ended up using some of the extra material from making the wall art to make a little runner for the table and the side table. I ended up painting the little tiered tray gold. I seem to have lost the footage of that. I used this silicone heart mold to cut out little pink cookies. I ended up sticking some of the felt hearts on the side table just for added decoration. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.